This is Vaishya from Tamil Nadu. I'm 21 years old right now, so I can call myself a kid also, right? I'm a kid and an adult at the same time, so I can kind of understand both worlds. Let me start with a bit about me. You know what? I used to write great stories. I used to feel very proud about them. But in the recent past, I don't know why I couldn't write them. But coming here, I realized why. Can you guess the reason? Anybody here? Okay. So it's just that I forgot the ABCDs. I forgot the basics. So coming here, I realized I forgot that I have to wake up early if I want to have a great start for the day. Basic things, I forgot them. I used to do them when I was in my school. I used to do them perfectly, but college happens and suddenly everything goes away. So I learned again that yoga is necessary for you to be calm. I learned that you have to identify your weaknesses and work on them. So these are basic things, but these are very important, and I'm happy that I got to relearn them again here. And I'm also confident now that I can do anything. I feel really limitless right now. You know why I came here? I came here to increase my intuition, of course, but even more than that, I came here to see these kids do it because I had to see it to believe it. We as adults have a lot of data that we've collected in our entire life. We have so much data. And whenever we hear or see something, before feeling it for ourselves, we kind of label it because we constantly use the data to, kind of analyze things, right? And because of that, we always define as to what is good, what is not good, what is right, what is wrong, what is possible and what is not possible. But these kids, their minds are empty. Nothing, no data to prove why these things won't work. So they can do anything. Infinity is what is their potential. And it's not like hopeless. We can still choose to not rely on this data. We can still choose to be infinite. And that's what I learned here. I got the hope that I can do it as well. So I would love to thank Guruji, all the kids for teaching me that, all the acharyas. Thank you so much. And lastly, I would like to tell all the parents something. I am who I am because of my parents. I am a carbon copy of my parents in many ways. So I might not always do what you say, but I will 100% do what you do. I'm your mirror. So yeah, I would like to end that with that.